Hey tech lovers! Today, let's dive deep into a marvel of modern military technology. The Shahpur drone, hailing all the way from Pakistan. This isn't just any drone, it's a game changer in aerial warfare. So fasten your seatbelts, we're about to take off. First up, let's talk about its range and endurance. Imagine this. The Shahpur can travel up to 150 kilometers. That's like driving from New York to Philadelphia. And it doesn't just sprint, it can last up to 6 hours in the air. That's longer than some of my longest gaming sessions. Now, payload capacity. The Shahpur can carry up to 40 kilograms. To put that into perspective, that's about the weight of a large dog, or in tech terms, roughly 600 smartphones. Whether it's carrying cameras or, well, something a bit more explosive, this drone can handle it. But how does it find its way? GPS-based navigation? Yes, the Shahpur is controlled remotely, making it the ultimate video game for its operators. However, it's still a bit of a mystery whether it can fly autonomously. Guess it's not completely ready to leave the nest. Speaking of eyes, the Shahpur is equipped with both day and night vision cameras. It's like having superhero vision. Although the exact types of sensors are top secret, we can bet they're pretty impressive. After all, you don't bring a knife to a drone fight. And in the world of electronic warfare, you gotta have some tricks up your sleeve. The Shahpur includes electronic warfare capabilities to fend off jamming and hacking attempts. It's like having an invisible shield, very James Bond, isn't it? So there you have it, a quick tour of the Shahpur drone. Whether it's peering into the night, carrying hefty payloads, or zipping across vast distances, this drone is not just a piece of technology, it's a symbol of modern warfare capabilities. And who knows, maybe it's flying overhead right now. Just kidding? Or am I? Thanks for tuning in, folks. For more tech insights and a sprinkle of humor, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. See you in the skies, or rather in the next video.